Want to create videos that fit perfectly on TikTok? Here's how to generate a vertical 9:16 video in Artlist AI. First, open Artlist AI and go to the AI video tool. Next, choose either text to video or image to video, depending on how you want to create your content. Enter your prompt describing the video you want to generate. Before generating, locate the aspect ratio setting and select 9:16. This creates a vertical video format that is ideal for TikTok and other short-form mobile platforms. Artlist supports 9:16 portrait generation on compatible video models. After that, choose your video duration and resolution if those options are available. Now, click Generate and wait for the video to be created. Once the video is ready, preview it to make sure the framing looks good in the vertical format. You have now learned how to generate a vertical 9:16 video for TikTok in Artlist AI.